Hi guys! Good evening! So for today's video is kakain lang tayo ng isang balot.
Kakain tayo ng balot.
Ito si Ate Sophia.
At
Kuya Jashen, yung maingay kanina. Matagal-tagal na rin tayo hindi nakakain ng balot. Mainit pa siya guys. So let's open it. Habang mainit, sarap humigop ng sabaw. Teka lang.
Oh, is he trying to get his first kill?
Ano? Ito na lang.
Who's got hit by a wrecking ball?
Yan o, sarap.
Dang.
Sabaw.
Alright, so 2 people have gotten burnt to a crisp. What the?
Masarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw.
Oh my gosh! He took his head off. Wait, what? Wait, I gotta see that again.
Namiss ko rin talaga ang balot guys. Ayan o.
Is that a trash can base?
Pag bumibili talaga ako ng balot guys, dalawa, minimum of 2. Eh ngayon kasi, kakatapos ko lang kumain, siomay.
This is actually a really good video.
Kaka-dinner ko lang.
orange?
Uh-oh.
So, huwag kayong mag-away. Lalagyan natin ng asin,
Oh my gosh.
and then suka.
Dang!
Yay, sa'yo na yan.
Oh my
Kasi
God.
ang may sanay.
Oh, let's go. He
Ubus
came
na.
in.
Yan o.
They're shaking in their boots. Shiver me timbers. Yay!
You want?
Oh, the hacker's going in there.
Sarap ng suka.
Oh, we
Maanghang.
gotta destroy him all. Oh my gosh!
Maasim,
Oh,
maanghang,
split the
sarap.
rice in half. Yo!
Then, asin.
Okay. This is pretty gruesome. Alright, now there's only 50 people left. Dang. Oh my gosh, look at the bodies. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, he's mad. There's his face. You gotta get revenge. Alright, they're training right now.
Maliit lang yung bato niya guys.
Oh my gosh. Oh, wait a second. Was he doing no hand push-ups? Like, watch the big hand right here. Look, he has no hands. Like, how do you do that? What the heck? Oh, they're getting powerful now. Let's go.
Pati ng asin, suka.
How are they going to beat the hacker, though? He's a hacker. Oh my gosh. Let's get crazy. He can't even hurt the hacker. He's just laughing at him.
Last bite.
Oh, wait, he's getting in there.
Hap.
Dang! Oh!
Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye ka sa kanila. Bye.
Oh my gosh, no way.